In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency as well as the primary currency on PayPal from your mobile. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the PayPal application, and once you're logged into your account, click on the help icon in the top right hand side. Using the search box, type in the word currency, and right at the top you'll see this question: how do I convert my money to another currency? Select this, and then right at the top underneath number 1 you'll have this link to the wallet. So go ahead and click on wallet, and this will take you over to your PayPal wallet, and from here you need to select PayPal balance, and then if you scroll down you'll have the options to add a currency. So go ahead and click on add a currency, and then just scroll down and select the currency that you want to add. So for example, let's add the euro and select add a currency button. As you can see, we've now added that to our PayPal wallet, so you can press done. And if you now want to go ahead and change the default currency on your account, all you need to do is select the 3 vertical dots next to the currency, and then you can select make primary. And as you can see, we've now set the euro to our primary currency on our PayPal account. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.